what is up? It's your girl Rachel with Nighttime Mommy Reviews, and today we're making some delicious, kid-friendly, and great for the entire family, frankly, chicken tenders right in our Ninja Foodi grill. You guys, it's a quick and easy way to make it homemade right there in our air fryer. So we're going to do that today. If you're interested in any of the items that I use in the video, be sure to check the description box below. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed, for more Ninja Foodi grill recipes on my channel, Nighttime Mommy Reviews. But we're going to go ahead and get started and take a look, you guys. Oh, perfect. All right, so let's dive right in. All right, so what you're going to need is half a cup of almond flour, half a cup of Parmesan cheese. I'm using the Kraft grated Parmesan cheese. I also have avocado oil inside of my Eva oil sprayer. You will need to spray the oil just so that it can crisp up. Half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of pepper and salt, which is also half a teaspoon. And I have 1 pound of chicken breast tenders. You can do a little bit over if you wanted. And then also 2 eggs, which we're going to whisk right now. And that's what we'll be needing today. So let's get started. Alright, so what I did here is you just want to whisk the egg together, because that's what we're going to dredge the chicken in. To start, we will need to add our Parmesan cheese to this bag here, because this is what we're going to use. And then all of our seasonings to the same bag. So we're mixing it all in one big bag. And just mixing it all together because this is the breading for the actual chicken tenders. Now you guys don't have to use almond flour. This is just because I am doing the keto diet. You can use regular flour and do the same exact thing. Alright, so just mix it really well. Alright, and then I'm going to open this package. Then we can start dipping and getting it ready. Alright, so what we're going to want to do is just add each one of our chicken tenders to the egg mix. Just cover it. Once it's covered, I just have this paper plate. I'm going to set it on there. Don't add it to the flour yet, otherwise you're going to keep going back and forth and it's a mess. I would just say, let's just dredge all of the egg first. Then we'll do the breading as the next step, because you only have to do this once. You don't have to dredge it twice. If you do, it just gets even messier and it doesn't impact the taste. So maybe with flour, but definitely with the breadcrumbs or the almond flour, it does not make a difference. So just do this with all of them, and then we'll be back once we have egg on all of the chicken tenders. Then we can start dipping them in the bread. Alright, so I went ahead and I added egg to all of the chicken tenders. I have my air fryer basket along with the base pan just because I don't want it dripping through. What we're going to do is add our chicken tenders to the bag. And then you want to do this one at a time because you really want it well coated with the breading. Okay. Once you have it coated, and I'm just going to make sure I get it coated really well. Let's see, do another shake. Once it's coated, I'm just going to add it to my basket here. And then we're going to do this for all of them. So I'll do one more just to show you guys. Add it to the bag. You see, I used the fork so that my hands aren't getting messy. You can press it on there. Okay. Bring it out. And do this for all of them, and we'll be back. Alright, so we're going to need the base pan for the preheating. So what I did was I just placed a paper towel so that my counter doesn't get messy, and I just put the air fryer basket right here. So we'll go ahead and start preheating. Let's see if I can adjust it here. Alright, so we'll turn on our grill. We're going to go ahead and select air crisp at 350 for about 15 minutes. And we want it to hit that 165 degree mark. So that's what we're doing, is we're going to do 350 for about 15 minutes. And in the meantime, I have my oil sprayer here. What I'm going to do is just spray liberally all over the tenders here. So that's going to allow it to crisp up. And then when we flip it, we could spray it again. Alright, so we'll be back once the oven is preheated, or the Ninja is preheated. Alright, so the grill is preheated. I'll bring it out a little bit, just so I can lift the lid. And we can add our air fryer basket. And we'll be back. Okay, a bit late to the game, but as you can see, look at it. Oh, looks amazing so far. So we're just going to flip these chicken tenders. Spray the other sides as well. Oh. Okay. Okay, I'll bring that back there. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, so we're on the final minute. What we're going to want to do is raise the temperature. So I'm going to go ahead and stop it. I'll have to turn it off. Air crisp. And we want to go to 400 just to brown it. And we want to brown it for about 3 minutes. And this should take it up to 165 if it's not already there. So just check it. You want to make sure all your chicken tenders, because chicken is not safe unless it reaches the 165 degree Fahrenheit mark. So it looks like we're there for these here already. So I just want to brown them. You can see how golden and pretty they look already. So we'll go ahead and shut the lid. Now, if you watch my video on tips, you can bypass this preheating by selecting preheat. You just open your lid and the time will get started. So once the 3 minutes is up, we can take a look at them. Alright, so the time is up. And you can see how golden and pretty they are. I'll kind of zoom in and focus here so you guys can see. I'll go ahead and bring them out so we can take an even closer look and allow them to cool, and then we can taste test them. Alright, and there we have it. We have our chicken tenders. Look at how delicious. And I have some sugar-free ketchup here. So for me, this is a healthy snack. If you wanted to do regular breaded with flour, you can do that as well. But this is a quick and easy way to make some chicken tenders for the entire family to enjoy. This is kid friendly. And it's great. So we'll just cut into one so you could see. They're juicy and moist. Let's see if I can zoom in here. Nice and moist. Juicy. And we have our chicken tenders there. Oh, so good. Mmm. That's a win right there. So make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed for more videos on my channel, Nighttime Mommy Reviews. But until next time, you guys have a great night.